Feeling like Christmas Day for the G's. From a young age, man, stuck in the team like THC, man, stuck with a green.
I was never left back like Robinson. I was right back there on the field like Trento. I'm up in the front in the score like Suarez. I'm praying to God that the shank don't bend. Both at the wing and he's causing a hazard. I beg you up boys, but defend your ends. If things get messy, I finna jet like lead and it's back to the mate map. It's still up block tours in the later than night. We crash on offs and spin that whip. Ride out time, no stalling. Pick up the gloves with the tension of catching the print. Don't lie to the fans, you ain't did that. You ain't rib left that, you ain't rib back sinks. Bad ones like when I grip that. I might hit that, I might dig man's bitch.
10-10 grab, make him overdose. I just called up my bro on the landing car. Long time I ain't spoke to bro. Where am I? No one knows. I got pound signs in a choker hold. Bro thinks that they tapped his sim, so he switched that quick to a Vodafone. Backstrap splits, just roll the toe.
Finna slide to the zone with two, but my RJ really taught me about karma though. Don't chat online, my bro. You ain't got 9 lives, how do you copy yo? Whoa, telling me sick to the rap, but I get my bags in from selling though. Truck gang life ain't all I know, but I turn bad boy when I cypher, bro.
Man just got the drop on the plug. Rip them cables, I'm trying to see funds. I got a whole lot of weight in the back. I'm praying to God that we don't get spun. Got black tints on a whip like circle. You don't wanna see me bust my gun. Bad one, says she's a Virgo. All she really wanna do is have fun.
Yo, what she really wanna do is have fun. I told my YG bust that gun. Man's got a stick like a beat like drums, and man's got a feeling like get that gun. A92 XJS YG styles and I'm making history done. A92 with the hottest topic. Tape coming soon and the gang's on top.
Watch out for them people that violate you, but cover it up as a joke. My dad told me don't ever be a bully, defend your gun and achieve your goals. I took that shot, boy, hit that post. But be careful of that rebound, I'm doing up me, so now everyone knows. Everyone sees, I have me a dream that I gotta achieve. I got my bro, and my bro got me. But I still said if you bleed, now bleed. I ain't in no race, but I took that lead. It's all that clout chasing for me.